Hi, in this session we will see how to upload and display the image in SAP SmartForm. Also we will see how to display the image as a background image on the page. Okay, so first we will upload the image using SC78. Transaction code to upload the image is SC78. Go to SC78, double click on bitmap image, select the color bitmap image. Here click on import. We have to select the bitmap image. Okay, so first go to our image directory from where you want to select the image. Okay, so here I have added some logo in my system in my local folder and upload the image from that folder. So first I am selecting this image 1. Give the name as ZZ image 1. We have to give the ID, okay, for each image. Image 1, give the description as image 1. Here I have selected the color of the image. Okay, press enter. Click on print preview. We can see that the image is uploaded. Now when they upload the image, system has not asked for the request number. So to add this image in a request number, we have to click here on this transport icon. Then give the request, select the request number or create a new one. Press enter. You can see the message ZZ image 1 has been included in the task. Now what we'll do, we upload one more image. Again go here, click on import, select from our directory where we have stored your image. Okay, so here I am selecting the second image, that is, give the name as ZZ image 2. Give the name description. I am selecting the color image. Check the print preview. Okay, now upload the third one. Now again in S78 I am uploading the third one. First we will upload, then we will see how to print that in the SmartForm. Go to SmartForm. Here I have for background printing I have selected one check image. It is type of check. Okay, let's give the name as Z check. Okay, Z check. Select color bitmap image. Enter. Click on print preview. So we have uploaded this image as a check. We'll print this in the background. Okay, now we have uploaded the image 1, 2, 3 in the system. Now we'll go for printing the SmartForm. Go to SmartForm which we have created earlier. Okay, here let me first delete existing one. Let me delete from my existing system first. Okay, now to print the image on the page, we have to right click, create graphic. Okay, if you select a graphic, we can see this screen on the right hand side. From here select our image which you want to print. So we have selected as ZZ image 1. Okay, this we have added. Click on execute. You can see we have two images, image 1, image 2. Select the image 1 here. So based on the properties, item release system will select this color bitmap image. Save and activate. Now to test, execute the SmartForm. You can see the logo on the right hand side. Okay, to change the margin of the logo, like from right to left, we have the options here. Either you can select do the left margin here, or the best option is go to form painter, drag and drop to right hand side. Activities, execute. You can see the image on the right hand side. Now this is the static image. Why it is called a static image? Because here we have hard-coded name. Here we have hard-coded this name. This is the image 1. Now let's say this name we want to pass dynamically. Okay, based on the if and else condition, we will passing this name dynamically. For that, in the global definition, first display variable, add a variable. Let's say gv underscore logo of type character 20. Okay, once you added the variable here, go to initialize block. Here in the output parameters, first we have to add as variable. Okay, this is the first one. Now based on our conditions, suppose for the company code 1000 you want to print image 1, for company code 2000 you want to print image 2. Write our if else condition and pass the required image name in the gv underscore logo. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm just passing here through coding z set image 1. Okay, set check and activate. So what I've done, I passes that image ID in the gv underscore logo. Okay, execute. We'll see. Oh, we are not changing that in the graphics. Okay, so in the graphics, what we'll do, instead of this hardcode image, we have to add ampersand and give our variable name. So whatever the value this variable contain, that image will get displayed. Okay, activate this, execute. You can see the same image getting printed. And let's say based on our coding, based on our coding logic, we're passing image 2 here. Okay, so what we've done now, the gv underscore logo, we have passed image 2. Now you can see the system has printed the image 2. Okay, so in this way what we have done, first we have seen how to display a static image, that is with the fixed name here, and second we have seen how to print a dynamic image. This means that we're passing the ID of this logo dynamically. Now we'll see the third one. Okay, let's say, let me first comment this. You want to print a background image on a page. Okay, for printing the background image, go to the page. Here in the background picture, select our image. So we have selected one, uploaded one image as check. That I'll select here. Now here you have the options where you want to print this background image, only in the print preview or both in the print and preview. First I'm selecting the print preview only. Now activate this, execute. We can see in the print preview a background image we can see. Above that we can write our text. Now click on print. Once you click on the print, now see in the print preview the image is there, but in the actual printout it is blank, because in the setting we have selected only in the print preview. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll select print and preview both. Activate this. And it is a print preview. Go for the printing. Now you can see in the print also that image will come. So based on the setting which we have done for the background image, okay, it will get printed in the print preview as well as both print and preview. So in this way we finish with this session, that is displaying of image is static and dynamic, and also displaying the background image in the SAP SmartForm. So in this way we are finished with this session. Thank you.